This week, we've got new tool announcements from Milwaukee and Harbor Freight.
And it's Black Friday, so we've got the biggest deals from all of your favorite tool stores.
We've got benchtop planers, Milwaukee sanders,
Grabby DeWalt's, and itty bitty toolboxes.
This is the Tool Show.
Welcome back, Tool fans. I'm Sarah, and that's Rob. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, but no time to be thankful or anything because it's Black Friday.
Just like every year, we reach out to our favorite tool stores and ask for their best deals for Black Friday, and there are some really good ones, starting in alphabetical order with Acme. Acme is kicking off your holiday tool shopping season with some favorites from Milwaukee and DeWalt. First up is the Milwaukee M12 Compact Inflator Kit, which you can pick up for $100 off at only $119. They've got a DeWalt 20-volt max jigsaw for $80 off, ringing up at only $99, and a DeWalt 5-tool combo kit that is $599, but for Black Friday, it's $200 off at only $399. They also have a popular buy one, get one free on Jet 12, 24, 31, and 40-inch parallel clamps.
Next over at CPO, they're celebrating Black Friday with DeWalt as well, starting with a free DeWalt 20-volt max bare tool or 5-amp-hour battery when you order a DeWalt 20-volt 5-amp-hour battery and charger kit. They also have a free DeWalt 20-volt bare tool or 6-amp-hour battery when you order a DeWalt hammer drill impact driver kit. There's a dedicated Black Friday page with over 420 deals and up to 52% off.
Harbor Freight is also dropping some huge deals, like $42 off their 20-volt brushless cordless half-inch ultra torque impact wrench kit with 5-amp-hour battery and charger, or save $300 on a Predator 5,000-watt dual-fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start. But the one I'm most excited about is their new 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart, which comes in 9 amazing colors, but only purple really makes sense, of course, for $90 off. That brings it down to only $189.99. We need like 5 of them.
Well, now's the time to get them. And our last store, of course, is Ohio Power Tool, who not only has a bunch of great Black Friday deals, but they also sent us a special Platinum Tool Deal code. But first, they have a free hybrid toolbox with select ModBox bundle, a free Milwaukee USB 3.0 amp-hour battery with select tool purchase, a ton of Jet holiday price drops, and a holiday gift guide loaded with deals. When the show goes live on Friday night, OPT will be in the midst of a Milwaukee 48-hour flash sale as well. But if you're looking to save the absolute most, you'll need our Platinum Tool Deal code. It'll give you $50 off a $100 purchase or more of anything in stock. And yes, it stacks on their current deals. All you need is the code, which I'll give you at the end of the show.
What a freaking tease. We also have a few Black Friday deals shared with us by tool brands, starting off with Bosch, who has a crazy 50% off deal on their GLM 165 Blaze Green Beam Laser Distance Measure with 1 amp-hour battery. Normally $199, you can pick one up on Amazon today only for only $99. They also have a 15% off Bosch GTS 1510 10-inch portable job site table saw with gravity rise stand, originally $649, now $549. There's also a Bosch GCM 12 SD 15 amp 12-inch corded dual bevel sliding glide miter saw with 60-tooth saw blade for $100 off at only $549 as well. And finally, 40% off on the Bosch 12-volt max combo kit with chameleon drill driver with the 5-in-1 flexi-click system and a Starlock oscillating multi-tool, originally $249, now only $149 on Amazon.
Ego has a bunch of great deals going on today as well, starting with their 21-inch self-propelled mower, which is 15% off at only $549. Their 670 CFM blower kit with 4-amp-hour battery for 18% off at $219. Their awesome 9-gallon wet dry vac with 5-amp-hour battery for 10% off at $449. The 10-inch telescopic pole saw kit with 2.5 amp-hour battery and that awesome LED cut line indicator for 20% off at $319. And finally, the 24-inch hedge trimmer kit with a 2.5 amp-hour battery for 20% off at $175.
A couple weeks ago, Rob and I visited the South Hall of SEMA looking for new power tools to share with you. While we were there, we wandered into the Fantic booth and found a ton of clever tools and some of the nicest form factors that we've ever encountered.
Now, we featured a few of their tools that caught our eye, but by the time we got home, Fantic already wanted to share more with us, so they sent a few tools for us to play with, and we've been having a blast with them. First up is a precision electric screwdriver you might have seen on TikTok. This is the Fantic E1 Max. It comes in this beautiful aluminum case, and when you press on the top, a super slim pen-style electric screwdriver comes out, along with this huge 50-piece collection of S2 steel bits. You've got several Phillips and flathead bits, a bunch of Torx, square drive, and several specialty bits I still don't know what to do with yet. The screwdriver has a 350 milliamp hour rechargeable battery and can drive up to 450 screws on a single charge. It's powered forward and back, has 2 torque settings, and a circular LED light ring on the tip makes it perfect for working in delicate electronics. The build quality is great, it works well, and the case does a great job of keeping everything in one place. Usually the E1 Max is $79.97, but during the Black Friday sale, it's selling for only $48.97. But if you use our exclusive code BFCME1MX, you'll get an additional 5% off and a final price of only $41.62.
But Fantic doesn't just make brilliant screwdrivers, they also have a huge line of portable inflators. This one is their flagship, the X9 Ultra Tire Inflator. But it's not just an inflator, it's also a flashlight and a power station. It has a huge 92.5 watt-hour battery inside, which means it could fill 27 automotive tires or 500 basketballs on a single charge. And thanks to its USB-A and 2 USB-C ports, it can charge all of your electronics too. It has a large flashlight on the side that makes it easy to get air back in your tires in the dark or add some warm light to your campsite. And this thing is fast. It can fill a 33-inch truck tire to 35 psi in just 58 seconds. You just set the psi you need, hit start, and it'll shut off when it hits the target. The X9 Ultra Portable Tire Inflator is usually $249, but during their Black Friday sale, it's only $149. And if you use our exclusive code BFCMX9UL, you'll get it for only $139.48.
Fantic also makes this tiny little half-pound guy, the D2 Laser Level. It's a self-leveling cross-line green laser with a magnetic mount and a carrying pouch. Its internal 2200 milliamp hour rechargeable battery will keep it running for about 10 hours on a full charge. This tiny thing has worked wonderfully around our house. We've used it to hang photos and for building our new set. The magnets work great when there was metal around, and when there wasn't, we just used a tripod or hung it up with a small nail. Best of all, the D2 Laser Level is normally a very reasonable $49.97, but during the Black Friday sale, it's only $34.97. And if you use our exclusive code BFCMD2LS, you'll get it for only $28.68. That's a fantastic stocking stuffer if I ever saw one. We'll have links to all of these deals in our description.
There were still a few new tools that we wanted to share with you, some of which we missed while traveling to Equip Expo and SEMA, starting with Harbor Freight, who launched a new McGraw 1/4-inch straight air die grinder with a powerful 0.4 horsepower motor that delivers 25,000 RPM for fast deburring, grinding, sanding, and polishing. It has an insulated ergonomic grip to keep your hands from getting cold and reduces vibration for added comfort. You can pick one up for only $24.99. They also announced a new extended version with a 3.5-inch extension for getting into those hard-to-reach areas. The McGraw 1/4-inch extended air die grinder rings up at only $29.99. Both are available now at your local Harbor Freight.
Milwaukee also officially launched their new M18 Fuel 24-inch and 30-inch hedge trimmers. That includes the Milwaukee 3033 M18 Fuel 24-inch hedge trimmer and the Milwaukee 3034 M18 Fuel 30-inch hedge trimmer. Both are powered by their innovative Power State brushless motor, giving you the grunt you need to cut through branches up to 1.25 inch thick. They have double-sided, dual-sharpened blades, a 5-position rotating handle, and a blade tip guard that prevents damage to property and protects the blades. They're both officially arriving next month in December 2024, with the 24-inch hedge trimmer ringing up at $279 or $479 in a kit, and the 30-inch version will be $329 bare or $529 in the kit.
Moving on to our favorite tool videos of the week, starting in the tool review zone, where Clint took delivery of a huge collection of DeWalt's new XR series tools and batteries, and finds some of them he likes, and some, well, they just stink.
When this thing showed up on my porch, I didn't know what was going on. I was sitting out on the chair and it stunk. And when I mean stunk, it stunk. It smells like 1992 Preferred Stock Extra Musk.
So freaking weird. Over on Project Farm, Todd shared what is inevitably my favorite Project Farm video every year, the best top 10 tools tested, where he compiles the 10 best tools of the year based on his testing. You're probably safe just buying one of each and continuing living your best life.
Over on Toolbox Buzz, Rob Robillard is testing out the new DeWalt Grabo, which is a lot like a regular Grabo, except for the DeWalt tracksuit and battery. Super handy.
Matt over 731 Woodworks is giving Oliver another chance now that they launched a new and improved benchtop planer, which he said might be better than the legendary DeWalt DW735X with its 8,000 5-star reviews. Good luck with that, Oliver.
I know what I want for Christmas, and Tim Johnson found it at Harbor Freight. That is the U.S. General Mini Toolbox. I mean, do I need to explain myself here? Do you see how cute that thing is? Gimme, gimme, gimme!
Torque Test Channel finally got a hold of DeWalt's new highest torque impact ever, the DCF 964, which claims 1,900 foot-pounds of torque, which they naturally put to the test. But while they're at it, they found an honest-to-God made-in-the-USA battery, and yes, that appears to include the cells, that claims to have the most energy-dense battery ever. They're clearly smaller, which is always a good thing on power tools, but can they also deliver the power they need? You'll have to watch to find out.
And last of all, over at Tools and Stuff, we got a detailed review of the new Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12-volt 3-inch random orbital detail sander, which he finds to be powerful and incredibly compact. Perfect for getting into super tight spaces. And it's M12, so it's light and easy to maneuver tool with that tiny battery installed. And I need some because I have M12. Like, I need more.
Hey, quick question. Are you a pro landscaper who uses zero turns and has 2 to 3 minutes to spare? Our friends over at Tested HQ have a survey they're running right now that you need to fill out, and they're giving away a $100 gift card to a random submission. So if you're a pro landscaper who rides zero turns, look for the link in our description, fill out the survey, and you just might pick up a $100 gift card for your trouble just in time for Christmas shopping. We'll announce the gift card winner next week here on The Tool Show.
All right, you've waited long enough. It's time for our platinum tool deal from Ohio Power Tool, and it's a big one.
With our exclusive code, you can save $50 off a $100 or more purchase of anything in stock at Ohio Power Tool. And yes, it works on Black Friday sale items too.
Just remember, it will only work for the first 25 people who use it, so be sure you are subscribed and click the notification bell so you are always one of the first 25 people to get the deal.
The code you need is TS40736. Good luck.
I want to thank SKIL, Flex, and Ohio Power Tool for continuing to support our show and our community of tool fans. We could not do this without you.
And I want to thank Ryobi for my Christmas present. These are sick.
I clearly like mine more. Because
you're wearing them. When you get a chance, hug someone you love this weekend. Go get a good deal on tools, and we'll see you next week. Like this. Let's go.